Hello friends! Today we're going to draw a cute and funny blue dog. First, draw a circle for the eye. Add the eyebrow on top. Now draw the nose and mouth. Next, draw the other eye. And add the eyebrow. Now draw the head and the body. Add the two little arms. Draw the pattern on the belly. Around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Great job! Now draw the ears. The tail. And the two legs. You're doing amazing! Make the lines bolder to be clear. Yay, the blue dog drawing is done. Now it's time to color. Black for the pupils. Dark blue for the ears. Eye pattern. Body and tip of the tail. Light blue for the eyebrows. Nose pattern. Leg tips. Belly pattern. And hands. Blue for the whole body. Gray and black for the nose. Yellow for the nose and ears. Ta-da! The blue dog is fully colored. So cute, right? Thanks for drawing and coloring with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.